Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Allea from class 4B. And here I will present to you a textbook review for FOFI for accomplished extensive reading assignment. And the title of textbook is Use of Language Across the Primary Curriculum, Bridging Language and Learning. So here we go. And the main purpose of this book is the book examines the integrated role of language, such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening in primary education, emphasizing how language supports learning across subjects like math, history, and science. It provides educators with research-backed strategies to enhance children's language development within meaningful cross-curricular contexts. Then, this book discusses about how language learning, such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening for children in primary education, also can help them to in their another lessons such as history, math, and etc. Next, target audience. So, the first is primary school teachers. Why it is done? Because this book is looking to improve language-based learning. Then, this book will help teacher to improve their approach in teaching for the class for the based language learning, for helping students to understand the other subject or the other learning lesson, such as math, so history, and etc. And the second is teacher trains and educators. Why them? Because trains are someone who will be a teacher or an educator in the future, will study literacy development. This textbook will improve their literacy development, their literacy skills. So the third is curriculum designers and policy makers. For the curriculum designer or curriculum maker, creator, and also someone who work in the institution, it will help them to create language instruction. So next, key themes. What things or what's the subtitle that discussed in this book? So there are 4 key themes here. The first is language as a learning tool. It means how speaking, reading, also writing facilitate understanding in all subjects. How the language lessons can help students for understanding the other subjects such as math, history, science, and etc. And the second is purpose-driven literacy. It discusses the importance of authentic contexts such as debates, projects for language development. And the example is English debate for the science topic. It helps students for understanding both of science and also language learning, of course. And the third is collaborative learning. The role of discussion and peer interaction in deepening knowledge. Then the activities such as the discussion among the students, the discussion among the teacher, between teacher and student, will help students for deepening the knowledge or make their understanding deeper. So the fourth is subject-specific language. It means it discusses how disciplines such as math and history require distinct linguistic approaches, or it means how disciplines knowledge such as math and history needs a different language approach like that. And this is the example, the illustration of authentic context such as discussion between students or discussion between teacher or maybe a debate and etc. The next, there is strength and also weakness. So three strengths of this textbooks is the first, research-based, ground in literacy development theories while remaining accessible. Then it means it can be accessed. And the second is practical applications over classroom examples, such as student project, method for immediate implementation, and etc. And the third is cross-curricular focus. It shows how language bridges subject avoiding siloed learning. And also, besides this trait, certainly this textbook also has a weakness. Also, the first weakness is date reference. Published in, because one of the references in this textbook is published in 1998. Then some digital age language practice such as online writing and etc. aren't addressed or doesn't discuss in these textbooks. And the second is dense for beginners. Academic tone may overwhelm new teachers without scaffolding. Then I see some of linguistic words or some languages are a little bit rather difficult for new teachers if there is no scaffolding. So why it has to be this book or in another language? Why we have to read this book? So the first reason, and also including the benefits, is improves multidisciplinary teaching. This book learn to weave language skills into science, history, and math lessons. Yeah, then we study the multidiscipline teaching, not just one lesson, but also another lesson. So the second is boost student engagement. Strategies like debates and project-based tasks make learning active and purposeful. The activities such as debate and project make students more active and communicative. So the third is highlights how talk and writing help children process complex ideas. It will improve our understanding about how the writing, how and talking help children process to have a complex idea or to have a critical thinking more. Thank you. And this is from me. I'm Keisha Allea Zanuba, and see you later, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.